is our lawn tractor. I cannot get it to start. This mechanic sucks. Quit it. So I'm gonna have to fix this myself. I already checked. This air filter is pretty clear. It's a little dirty, but not enough to cause a problem. I can't tell. This is a fuel filter. I can't tell. Boys, find something else to do. I can't tell what's going on there, so I'll figure that out. But what I did notice is a leaking from right here. Can you go somewhere? Jeez. It was dripping from right here, but that doesn't mean that's where the leak is. I think the leak is happening up there. I think that's the carburetor. But this is what it's doing. Got that all the way in. Got my choke all the way out. Now you can see it dripping. That's gas that's dripping. So I'm thinking that it's just not getting enough fuel. Now somewhere there's a leak, so if I can figure out the leak and tighten it up, ideally that will fix it, but we'll see. Alright, I got the carb put back on, and ooh, it's a moment of truth. Are y'all ready? Choke out, put on the brake.